will be seeing at this villa, but the surrounding location. So scenic location, and this is connected to the highway, and there's a church hall, also a small canal going from here. Okay, so this is the surrounding of it. So this also property is to belong to the same owner, and from here you can. This is little incomplete now. Villa. I'll be taking you a tour inside the house also. But see the view of this and the churches, and it's not yet rained also, but it's like a very peaceful location. Can be a good holiday home also here, with a broad marked highway on it. So this will be it. किती मागते ते realistic this. This is a small canal. Okay, this is the entrance of the house. Okay, there goes a steps which goes above in the three bedrooms on top, and see the spacious how it is. Okay, uh, this is a biggest hall where HD TV can be coming, and see the decor light, false ceiling. It has been done. So nearly the villa is little incomplete, but the owner has left it like this. This is a, a dining room type open style which can have, and there's also a kitchen. Okay, currently it is in little mess, but the construction is going on. See the kitchen, and the yeah, the granite also is of good make quality. Yeah, and around it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for washing machines and all. And it's very spacious. Yeah, and then the grillers, everything when Western things will be coming like grillers, toasters, coffee machines, they will come here. There's a attached toilet also for the yeah, which can be used as a either a wash up area or a laundry. So separate laundry room can be made about it because the water connections, everything is there, and it is also very spacious. Now we'll go on the top floor. There is one bedroom here with attached toilet. No, all are master bedroom. So with attached toilet, with the flooring is very decent. Yeah, here's the toilet. Yeah, so little incomplete it is, but still it has a great flooring with all. Yeah, they have done the beveling and all of the granite, so it gives a very good and very expensive, because this can be have double molding, means it is really expensive. And normally I've seen there's a skirting also, which has a, yeah, granite skirting around it. So from here it's the view.
castle you mentioned it's like a 4 by 5 castle wood and
This is all Malaysian teak wood with heavy duty. This has been used. Okay, flooring has to be done, but I think so. Like 20% job is remaining. Now we'll be climbing the steps. Yeah, yeah. There's an arc also here. See, decoration. Yeah, the work is going on, so that's why. First bedroom, no?
First master bedroom.
This is the first master bedroom, yeah, with false ceiling and all is done, the structure. Okay, there's a small balcony also, curved balcony it has. Okay, and see the bathroom. So, enlarged bathroom. This, with again the molding and all has been done. And from here, this is a bathroom. It looks exactly like a bedroom. So, and this is the bedroom, and there's a balcony. Yeah. With all the molding and all is completed now. Since it's rainy season, they have put the rain protection. But yes, the workmanship is really great. Only finishing touches has to be given. So now I'll take you in the second bedroom. So yeah, guest. So ground also was a guest bedroom, I think so, because but it was also a master. Yeah.
This is a guest bedroom.
This is also a guest bedroom. So it also has a scenic view from outside. If you see, beautiful houses, village lifestyle. Okay. So again, there's a molding and all for it, and also a false ceiling has been done for it.
And starting both false ceiling and the guest bedroom, even the guests don't have to go up.
Yeah, there's a yeah. Again, it's like a master bedroom, attached toilet and all, and it's very spacious. It's not like a normal toilet thing. So it's like a European standard one is done. And wall mount WCs will be coming.
The Jaguar as well.
Yeah, and again one more guest bedroom with balcony. It's like again molded one with granite tops. Very good quality granites have been used. See if you can see. See the quality of the granite. With double molds he has used.
No,
and the
single mold, sir. Single but full mold.
Oh, full mold it is, not double, because on the doors he has used double, but this is a full mold, not yeah. Yeah.
So glass with
The craftsmanship is really done well. How they have done it. See the construction, see no cracks, nothing. The precisity. So finishing will be the easiest factor to complete. There's also a loft on top.
No, every bedroom has a loft.
Loft, so you can either make a door thing enclosed, so you can keep.
The wardrobe answer, the wardrobe have to be attached with the loft. So this will be the wardrobe. And wardrobe has a door, so you're gonna enter from the wardrobe to the toilet.
Okay, so the basic idea will be the wardrobe will be here, and when now it's a new concept which I have been seeing in some of the apartments in Margao and all. In my last video, I have shown you that it looks like a wardrobe, but people have to enter through the wardrobe. So actually, this will be not visible. Okay, this is another bedroom inside. Yeah, the tiles also are ordered because they look pretty decent and premium branded ones.
And these are
Yeah,
not
this
like
is the double mold now they have used.
It's not even Godrej, it's a Kajaria.
Yeah, and the product which we use is Kazaria thing, and yes, some like finishing touches has to be given, and obviously painting and the soft furnishing has to be installed in it. So this, yeah, yeah, see the view. It exactly looks like a palace.
That's it. And then I open only terrace.
So yeah, actually you can feel the persons when they are going. See the depth of the place. See when people are walking, it looks so spacious. And yeah, and it will have a bar here with round tables and all here. And this is the decor which will come with different lightings and all. And see the ambience. So this is the, yeah. So with the unique steps which go up. Okay.
And granites we cut from the long staircase.
Yeah, there some granites have been done. Full house granites, the owners have done it. Some about the tiling we'll need to discuss when we meet in Goa. That's what. See the balcony outside. This is like a big bedroom only balcony. So this is attached to the master bedroom, and see the scenic view out of it, how it looks. Yeah, see the church and all, how it looks. Yeah, and see a person standing, how they look in the balcony. So big, spacious it is from the bedroom. If you see. Okay, that's it. I'll keep you updated when anything happens up new with this. Okay, till then, whenever you're free, you can definitely give me a call on my number in the description. Okay, and my people will be really helpful to come and take a visit to you in this property. This is I'll tell you something about this. This property is in Chandrapur. Earlier it was known as Chandrapur, Chandor, Goa. It was the capital during Portuguese rule. First this Takshilas and all, then Bhoja's king, they had ruled this, and then the Kadamba dynasty was there. So it has a very spiritual and a very archaeological type background. The Nossa Bella church is also located here, just 1 kilometer, within the radius of 1 kilometer from here. So you'll find some of the churches here. These are heritage. Actually, Chandor, we call it Chandor or Chandrapur. Okay, it has a heritage this in the start.